Hi guys, so in this askzenler what we're going to look at is installing Facebook's Messenger Chatbox onto your website. So it's pretty easy to do and it's free, and you can drive engagement and messages through your website. So let's do it now. I'm going to just log in to SurfDude's site. I'm going to add it to that. So you can see here in Google I've just put Facebook Messenger Chat plugin. Now this is in developers.facebook.com. So I'm just going to click this link here. It should take me through to where I can actually use the chat plugin. The chat plugin allows you to integrate Messenger experience directly into your website. So this is where we can go to do it. So you can see here what you can do. Setting up the plugin, which is the important part. So I'm going to just scroll to the top where we got this little link, chat plugin. We're going to load that on, so it should load the page up. Add live chat to your website, small business. So let's do this here, get started. By the way guys, never done this before, so let's see how easy it is. So I'm just going to follow these steps through here. Navigate to your page settings, click messaging, under messaging, add to your website, get started, click next. They don't provide any links here to your page, but you just need to throw up your Facebook page. So I'm going to do that now. There's my page. I'm going to go to settings on my page, and then I'm going to go, when this loads, I'm going to go to messaging. And I have add messenger to your website. Let's get started. So website domain is already here. So you can have a welcome message. So hello, thanks for getting in touch with us. What can we help you with today? I'm going to leave it as default, but I'm pretty sure you can change it in here. Yep, you can. And you can have frequently asked questions. Where are you located? How else can I contact you? So I'm going to leave, and you can add new questions there as well. So you can go and set these up however you like. Customize the chat plugin, so you can change things like colors and things, I think, in here. Where it's going to, alignment's going to be right. I'm going to do 24. I'm just going to leave it on default. But guys, you can go and change these if you want to. I might change that to suit my brand. So I think I'm going to change it to a kind of grey color. Or maybe put it into an orange. Okay, so you can do that. And that looks good. So you can see how it's looking here on this side. Let's go and change this. Add your domain, that's correct. Copy the code. Go to next, paste the code, paste a snippet directly into the open body tag on each web page where you want the chat plugin to appear. Okay, so this is the only sort of technical part. It's pretty easy though, because we're putting it into the body text. We're not putting it into the head, we're putting it into the body. So I'm just going to click finish now and click done. I remember it's copied that code. I'm now going to jump into my SurfDude site and I'm going to put it into the home page. Alright, so I'm going to go to surfdudes.com. I'm now going to go into the admin area. Remember guys, this is the first time I've put this on here, but it's pretty easy instructions. So let's go to pages. I'm going to go and find my home page. Alright, let's let that load into the editor. And all I'm going to do, because it's in the body text, is I'm going to drop an HTML block in there that will contain the code for the chat, because it's in the body text. Okay, so I don't want to be putting it into, you might be thinking guys, you might be thinking to put it into the tracking code areas. So you can actually put it into the body section here, which is actually going to be better for me rather than drop an HTML block, which would also work. So I'm going to paste that code in there that we took from Facebook, and I'm going to click add. Now I'm going to save that. We're going to go and preview SurfDudes, and it should be on there. Remember, it's linked to your Facebook account, okay? So messages will come through there. So I'm going to go in here now to incognito mode. I'm going to put in Surf Dudes. I'm just going to go straight into there. Should be on the home page. There we go. So you can see it comes up there. We can log into Messenger, or we can continue as a guest. So you can see that you get this thing going there. So how can we help you? And there we go. Powered by Messenger. Got our little logo up there. Hello. Testing. Just hit send there. So hello testing. If I jump back into my Facebook page now, I should have a message come up. If I just refresh this. Aha, there we go. So you can see a guest has logged in, and you have a message appear, should say hello testing, and of course you can reply. You can also reply through the chat box as well. Hello, hello. So pretty easy, and you can see it's appeared there. So Facebook, you can see that they're coming up in here. It's all cool. Really easy to install that, and can be really good for a bit of interaction. So in every place that you want that chat box to appear, you need to paste that code. So just to go back through it again quickly, you're going to go into your Facebook page, okay, and you're going to go down to your settings, okay, inside there. And once you're inside the settings, then you can go to messaging, and then once you're inside messaging, you can then go down to add messenger to your website, okay, and you can set that up in there. So that's all there is to it, and then you've got that set up on your website. So that's installing a Chatbox Messenger on your website. Really easy to do, guys, and you can also close it down there. So you get that, that's that orange color that we selected. Of course, we can put our different questions in there as well if you want people to question stuff as they're coming through. It's all cool. Let's jump to incognito again quickly. And this would be someone visiting your site. This pops up, log in, got that question, hi, how can I help you? And bang. And then you can look in your Facebook, or it will be sent to you by email or to your phone, and you can reply to that straight away. Okay guys, so that's installing Facebook Messenger on your Zenler site.